This is the fastest earning job in the world. You can get $130,000 just to change a light bulb, and it only needs to be replaced twice a year. You can earn $260,000 a year by working only 2 days, even with such a high salary. Few people dare to apply. This is one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. Tower light changer. This is a special job involving working at heights, specialized in replacing light bulbs on signal towers over 600 meters high. It is equivalent to the height of a 200-story building. From the appearance point of view, it is built with only one metal bracket. The higher you go, the thinner it gets. In the process of climbing, there are no other safety measures except the safety rope worn on the body. This is not only a test of workers' skills, it is also a challenge to workers' physical and mental endurance. It takes at least 4 hours to climb from the bottom to the top of the tower. So you must have plenty of physical strength. What's even more dangerous is that when you climb to the top of the tower, you will find that the light bulb is still on a tall and thin pillar, and the wind speed at the top of the tower is very strong. The whole body will sway back and forth with the pillar. If you accidentally miss it, then there is no doubt that you will die. If you climb to the top of the tower and successfully replace the light bulb, then don't get too happy too early, because you have to successfully return to the ground before you can get the money. So there are not many people engaged